Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new scoop and free assembly, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. This new trench from the Scoop Wears Prada line has the oversized collar, lapel, the button detail on the wrist, belted, the same fit through the back. These are $43. And also sneak peek tank from Scoop. This has the thick strap, square neckline, that crochet. It is lined in the ivory. Also comes in black, and they're $22. Sneak peek dresses from Scoop. These have the thin strap, V neckline. It's a lightweight material, flowy, squared in the back in the red. Also comes in black, and they're $32. Dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thin strap, elastic, and then this little cutout detail. I think this was an online only. They're online only little denim peplum tank from Free Assembly. It's a thicker material, and then it has that same fit through the back. Also seeing a new color in these eyelet pants from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, that true jogger bottom in the green, also in the blue. And the bottoms are going to be $24. Blazer from Free Assembly. It has a smaller collar with the lapel, tortoise button, same fit through the back. And then to match the blazer, they have these pants. These have that side button, cropped wide leg, elastic through the back. Pants are $32, and then the blazer is $40. New top from Scoop. This one has the thin strap, this lace trim, flowy fit with the racer back in the light blue, and they are going to be $22. So new dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thicker strap, square neckline, seam detail, fit and flare, that same fit through the back. Embroidered pants from Free Assembly. These have the button zip, this little beaded flower detail with the seaming. These are a mid-rise carpenter pant, and then it also has the beading through the back. No Boundaries baby doll dress. So these have the braided strap, V neckline, that little tie, fit and flare with the marking in the back. Men's, but I did an outfit idea with this for my other social media, and I sold a lot of these. I just had it thrown over the shoulder. So it's really soft from Free Assembly. Has that polo. Those are $30. That high neckline, sleeveless, chambray look material. It's actually like a linen texture with the drop tier, same fit through the back, and they're $36. So new from Free Assembly are these poplin dresses. They have the thin strap, V neckline, elastic under the bust, fit and flare, and then this little cutout detail, and they're $36. Also new from Free Assembly are these puff sleeve dresses. They have that square neckline, smocking. It's a thicker poplin with pockets, same fit through the back, and they're $36. No smock dress from Free Assembly. This has the double strap smocking with that V seaming, fit and flare, same fit through the back with the little tie detail, and these are $28. Embroidered dress from Free Assembly. This one has the tie with the strap, square neckline, embroidered fit and flare, longer length, and then smocking in the back, and they're $38. Flare with this embroidered eyelet trim, same fit through the back. It also comes in the navy. The navy has the navy trim, and these are going to be $38. Dress from Scoop. So this one has the collar, the crochet baby doll fit, and oh wait, it's a romper. In this linen fuchsia. Also comes in that ivory color in that eyelet top from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, boxy fit. I showed it in the white, now they have it in the blue, and they're $26. Sneak peek dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thin strap, the rosette detail, fit and flare with the tiers, same fit through the back, and it's $36. Sweater vest from Free Assembly. This has that rolled hem, sleeveless in the yellow and blue, the white and blue, and they're $24. Also combination of the eyelet and the yellow. These dresses, I think they're online only from Scoop. So they have that plunging neckline, oversized puff sleeve, the cutouts on the side, fit and flare, longer length, and then that same fit through the back. Also new from Free Assembly are these dresses. So they have the thin strap, that scallop trim, fit and flare with the pockets, and these are $36. So online only dress from Free Assembly. This has that high neckline, the ruffle trim, pearled buttons, drop tier with the pockets, and then the seam fit through the back. So new from Free Assembly are these cardigans. These have the scallop trim in the light blue color, and these are going to be $24. Also new pull-on boxer shorts from Free Assembly. These have the elastic waistband, that little ruffle trim, how cute. And these are going to be $24. New cardigans from Free Assembly. So these were fully stocked. I was here the other day, and now they only have one of each. So they have that crew neckline, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, in that floral, also in the stripe. And I think these are $28. New tie front blouse from Free Assembly. This one has that oversized bow, the elastic scoop with the seam in the back, and these are going to be $30. New skirt from Free Assembly. This one has the side button, belt loops, that little beaded detailing. Has the pockets on the back. It says carpenter skirt. And they'll be linked down below. I think they're $30, the skirt says. From Free Assembly, they have that scoop neckline, the little drawstring buttons with the elastic, that seam fit through the back. And these are going to be, I think they're $26. To match, they have a new pull-on skirt. It has the elastic waistband with the drawstring. Fit and flare, that seam fit through the back. New striped jeans from Free Assembly. This matches back to the vest that we saw. I don't think they have them here. But these are a mid-rise relaxed straight carpenter jean. They have the little seaming, the hammer holder, seam fit through the back. And the jeans are $32. Also new cuff jeans from Free Assembly. So these have the whiskering. It looks like they're high-rise. That raw cuff at the bottom. And then the seam fit through the back. They say they are a mid-rise cuff crop. And they're going to be $30. Colors in this little ruffled sweater from Free Assembly. It has a high neckline, the little ruffle on the sleeve, also at the bottom in the blue, also in the green, and they'll be linked down below. New puff sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This one has the tie detail to poplin with the drop tier, that seam fit through the back. Comes in the stripe, and then they also have a denim, and they're $36. The denim has that same oversized bow. Scoop top. This might be an online only. It has the scoop neckline, flutter sleeve, fabric covered buttons with the lace trim, seam through the back. Online only Free Assembly dress. It has the sweater on top, the peplum skirt, seam fit through the back. New dress from Scoop. This one has that V neckline, cap sleeve, longer length, seam fit through the back. We saw this print in a top, and they're $34. So new smocked off the shoulder tops from Scoop. These have the elastic, the little tier in the green, also in the white. And they also have from Free Assembly these new cardigans. They have that higher neckline, the gold buttons, all this little embroidered detailing, and then just a little bit on the sleeve. And they're $30. So new from Free Assembly are these high neck tanks. These have the thin strap, squared neckline, stretchy through the front and the back. And I think these are $10. And then also new from Free Assembly are these embroidered skirts. They have that seam detail, fit and flare. You can see all the little embroidered. There's a little fish, a sailboat, and they're $32. These are from Scoop. They have the smaller collar, lapel, tortoise button, the two from pockets. I shared this in the stripe in yesterday's haul. I feel like it does run small. I wouldn't size down. Has the tortoise buttons. It's completely lined. Seam fit through the back. $40. Cute, the new linen pieces from Scoop. So they have a thin strap, square neckline, full button, These are always really popular in the green, also in the ivory with the pinstripe. That we saw the blazer that matches back. So they have the green blazer, also a navy blazer. And then they have a pleated short. It's a Bermuda side button zip with the belt loops. And the pinstripe also in the green. And then they have a pant in the green. Pleated barrel leg side pocket. These look pretty wide at the bottom. Another barrel leg with the trouser pockets in the back. Front pocket pants from Scoop. So these have the button zip, the 2 pockets, cropped leg, wide and flowy through the front and the back. Happened, but I filmed this, but the file got corrupt, so I know it was on the last thumbnail. But it has that rolled hem, the side seam, ribbed bottom, ribbed sleeve, and the blue flag. Also this fish. There's a lobster, and they're going to be $24. Also new dresses from Free Assembly. These have that plunging neckline, the ruching, fit and flare out, embroidered little stuff, and these are $38. New blouse from Scoop. So this has that high neckline, full buttons, banded wrists, seam fit through the back, and the pink peach, also the white with the green. Cute are these new top and skirt sets from Scoop. So these have the lace trim, squared neckline, peplum, squared in the back, and the fuchsia also comes in, I think, black, and then to match the tiered skirts. They're really oversized, and they're just lined, so there's no shorts. Dark wash denim from Scoop. So these are a high-rise skinny. They have the whiskering. I can't believe they have skinny jeans. New embroidered sweater from Free Assembly. This has that higher neckline, the little puff sleeve, all that embroidering with the ribbed bottom, seam fit through the back. How pretty. And that one's $30. Dresses from Scoop. So these have the tie strap, V neckline, that pleating, lace trim, maxi length flowy, seam fit through the back. In this ivory, also in that same color, they have this new rib tank. It has that lace trim, fitted through the body, seam fit through the back with the square. They also have in that sweater material these square neck tanks. So ribbed and stretchy in the black, and then also in the ivory. Jackets from Scoop. So these have that mock neck, the tortoise buttons, that gather detail, little puff sleeve, gathering on the wrist. How adorable is this jacket? Full functioning buttons, side pocket, the little pleating in the back. So it comes in the twill ivory, and then also in the denim. Also new sweater vest from Free Assembly. This one has that scallop trim, the scallop sides. In this acid wash blue, also comes in the yellow, and they're $24. Cute are these new dresses from Free Assembly. They have that scoop neckline. Look at the pearled button, flutter sleeve, tiers, seam fit through the back, and they're $30. Right next to it, also new from Free Assembly. This one has the little cardigan, buttons, puff sleeve, textured with the rib bottom, and the ivory also comes in the navy, and they are $26. Also new smock tops. They go with the smock skirts we saw. So they have that high neckline, the little peplum. They have both the red and the white. Also new Scoop scuba shorts. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, that seam detail. They had like a coral color here the other day, but they don't have them no more. So new from Scoop are these little lace trim shorts. These have the elastic waistband, drawstring with the lace. I know these are in a few colors. They have a lime green online, and then I think maybe a blue. So new, this one's from Scoop. It's the Devil's Wears Prada line. We didn't really get too much of that here in Florida, but when I looked online in New Jersey, I think they had a lot of different pieces. But this has that sweetheart neckline, and it has the sticky built in, seam fit through the back. It looks like they're $22 online. They have the black. There's also red and white. What are these? Wide leg with the pleat, side pocket, poplin material. Devil Wears Prada jackets now. We saw the blue dresses. It's cute to wear over it. Has the smaller collar, lapel, oversized fit. and they are $54. It's freaking crazy. Also new from Scoop are these tier dresses. So this has that tie detail, square neckline. This is what the material looks like up close. So it looks like almost like a satin, but it's a little thicker. From the Wears Prada line, this little tank dress has the thicker strap, scoop neckline, tiers. Also has this racer back detail. I think these are $25. A new satin slip skirt from Scoop. This one has an elastic waistband, that lace trim at the bottom, seam fit through the back. Then to go with that skirt, this is a lace trim cami. It's really long with that asymmetrical detail. Thin adjustable straps. Colors in the free assembly tank. So these have that high neckline. They're so soft and stretchy. They have this new yellow. There's a green, white, black, pink. And then Scoop also has some new tees. These have that crew neckline. This is the baby tee, pink, the yellow, white, and black. Those are $10. Color in these footbed sandals from Free Assembly. They have that round toe, the thong style with this sling back. These are $36. Also new little rope sandals from Free Assembly. They have that knotted detail with this sling back. Those are $38. Also new from Free Assembly are these mesh little espadrilles. They have the trim with the cap toe, and these are $44. We also saw them in this raffia. Color in the flats from Scoop. So these have that round toe, the little opening. We saw them in the red. These are $45. So new color in these slides from Scoop. These have the square toe, or like the little fish scales, and they're going to be $36. So new from Scoop are these little toe mesh sandals. They have the sling back, and they're $36. New little rope chunky platforms from Free Assembly. They have the espadrille bottom, little sling back in the yellow, and they're $42. New mules from Free Assembly. They have the round toe ankle strap, and they're $38. Have all of the Scoop online only shoes here. So these have that square toe with the little green little flaps. I don't have any prices. Clogs from Scoop. They have the platform, the buckle, chunky heel, and they're $42. They have both this brown and then the orangey red. We have the Wears Prada collab for Scoop with the heels. These have that pointed toe, stiletto with the sling back. These are $50. And also from that collection, these strappy heels. These have the round toe, that crisscross ankle strap with the gold heel. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.